It's a beautiful afternoon in Stanley, and probably one of the first days since we've been here that it hasn't been blowing a dog off the chain, to put it the way that Steve says it. So we've decided we're going to attempt to hike the Nut. So it's late afternoon, it's pretty warm.
Pretty warm. Apparently it's 2.9 k's return, and they say to allow anything up to a couple of hours, so we'll see how we go.
We'll be back by dinner time.
We'll see.
We'll see.
So we should be able to just head up those stairs just there. The walking track up to the car park, and then the zigzag track actually goes up. You can see a person in pink all the way up there. That's part of the track that we walk up, and it zigzags up to the top.
To the top of that hill there.
Yeah, where those people are up at the lookout.
There.
Right up there. Come on.
I don't think I signed up for this. See how we go. Walking about 10 minutes and we're only just at the car park.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. We're only just at the car park. Probably should have driven to that part. I'm buggered already.
Are you for real?
Yeah, it's hard work. Big hill. I've just spotted the chairlift. Come on.
Didn't bring the wallet, so I can't pay for the chairlift.
That's just the car park view.
You're like 20 metres into it, mate.
Literally, I'm going to roll backwards down the hill. That's how steep this is. We're at the top of the first zigzag. Oh my goodness. More of the same to go. The view's stunning. That's the Penguin Rookery where we were last night, just down there. The view makes up for the pain, 100%. And while I'm recovering, old mate has found a geocache, of course. How you going, mate?
She's hard yards.
Level 2 of the initial climb up. It's called the zigzag. That one was harder than the first one, but the view's amazing. Section 3 of the zigzag. That one was deceiving. It started out looking like it was actually going to be like the first one, but it ended up halfway through to be the second one. So it looked easy, but judging by the fact that I had a stitch and I thought I was going to throw up when I got up the top, it wasn't that easy.
It's a fair climb. You rise something like I think it's 120 metres in that section of track, which is 430 metres long. So that's greater than 1 in 4, isn't it? And
we know that when old mate's out of breath, it's really hard yucca. He's pretty athletic. Walk up the first part of the 2K circuit. Old mate says stop at this seat here. That's geocache number 2 for just this walk.
There's a heap up here.
Geocache number 3. My official duty is to look out for muggles.
So you're looking?
Sorta.
Look at this one.
Number 4.
Can you get it?
Oh. Steve's standing there like a random statue trying to hide the fact that he's putting a geocache back. Number 5. Turn around for 5 minutes to look at the view. Geocache number 6. I've got some good news. We're going downhill now.
That's not much good on these old knees.
You'll live. Number 7. For just this hike, I'm starting to think he has a real problem. Spotted that one from a mile away.
Just as well, because I hate those tree hanging ones.
And it said at eye height. He's taller than me. It was at my eye height, not his. So, what number is this?
I don't know, you're counting.
I think it's number 8. Last one, number 9.
Took a bit of searching this one.
Lucky there's no one around. Steve thinks he's pretty stealthy, but he was standing in a garden before on a rock pretending to be a statue looking at the view because there were people, and he looked anything but stealthy.
I disagree.
That was pretty funny.
So sorry mate, there's no lift down the hill. The chairlift has stopped running for the day, so looks like you're hiking it.
I don't think it's going to be that bad going downhill, is it? Won't be as bad as coming up.
Famous last words.
Yeah, we'll see. Meet you at the bottom.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Old mate's had to zigzag down the track to make it a little bit easier to get down, apparently.
I think he's trying to mimic me. It's actually really hard to go straight down, my toes hurt.
Well, we've made it back down to the car park of the Nut. These poor old knees are going to take about a week to recover after coming down that steep hill.
I think it was easier to go uphill than it was to come downhill.
Yeah, certainly easier on the knees but harder on the lungs, I would suggest.
Yeah, definitely.
But look, apart from that, absolutely well and truly worthwhile. The views are just unbelievable from up there, actually.
Yeah, they're really nice. It's well worth it if you're relatively fit. Definitely do the climb from the car park. We actually walked from our accommodation from where we're staying,
which is only another 400 or 500 metres anyway.
But all uphill.
Yeah, all uphill.
But if you're not so great on your feet, give the zigzag part a miss. That's the really steep part. And jump on the chairlift. I think it's like $12 an adult. I think it was $7 a child and $35 a family.
Something like that. Yeah.
And once you get to the top, it's actually a nice easy walk to do the 2 kilometre circuit if you can do that.
Yeah.
So definitely well worth it. However you get up there, well worth getting up there and having a look.
Allow a good hour or so to do the loop up the top. We've been a total of about an hour 40 minutes, but we've taken our time and done a bit of geocaching and obviously did the walk up and down as well. So yeah, beautiful walk.
Yep, great day for it too. Did you just grab another geocache as you walked past? Literally just walked past something, put his hand on it and kept walking. That's number 10 for the day in like an hour and 3/4. I didn't even know he was looking for one.